Hey there, Chicken Pies. How we doing? How we feeling? Y'all, I'm home from work today. It's actually like 1 o'clock. I'm a little bit late getting this video started because I was over there on that couch snoozing. I literally was just resting for a little bit, but I know I needed to get my bum up and get into the laundry room because I need to kind of organize that room in order to kind of like transition some of my stuff from my kitchen and all that good stuff. So I am gonna go ahead and get started on that laundry room. I actually need to put some dye in my hair tonight because I have a hot weekend planned, y'all. I am going to Lukenbach, Texas. Y'all, if you don't know what Lukenbach, Texas is, look it up. I'm going to a blues festival in Lukenbach, Texas. Now somebody needs to explain to me, because I'm really confused. When I heard about it, I was like, blues and Lukenbach? I don't know about that, but anyhow, I'm going there. So anyway, it's not very far from San Antonio, but definitely look it up and tell me what you think about Lukenbach. But yeah, we're all home today, and it's so awesome outside, y'all, because like, I'm gonna show you, but you can't really see anything because my doors are iced over. Like, see? Like, you can't see anything because there's ice there, and of course the glare is real. So let me see if I do it like that. Can you? Yeah, you can't really tell, but the whole door is iced over. So yeah, so anyhow, I am going to work on my laundry room today. And yeah, see, you can't really tell. I wish you could tell, but it's like 20, I think they said 26 degrees right now. I got the fire going. It's going at a moderate pace because I'm having to reserve my wood because everybody was like totally out of wood yesterday. Like, unfortunately for San Antonians, you know, we don't get this cold weather very often, and people go into a total panic when they say there's going to be ice. And so like everything disappeared out of the stores yesterday. So the wood was disappearing. So I'm having to, you know, go a little light on my wood, but I am, I'm gonna tidy up my place in here a little bit. Actually, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tidy up this room first, and then I'm gonna make an attempt to go into my laundry room and do some things in my laundry room, because I don't know if I mentioned, but I'm getting rid of all my towels that I have that are, because I don't have anything to match the new decor. Like, well, actually I lied. I have one towel set that kind of matches, but then it got like a little bit of bleach on it from somewhere. Excuse me, at some point or another. So I definitely need to invest in some new towels, which I think probably this weekend, well, maybe not this weekend since I'm going to Lukenbach, Texas. Y'all know that song? I remember, okay, hold up, brief intermission, because y'all know I be all over left page and right field and everywhere else. Okay, you know that song. I don't even remember the words to it, like really. I just know something about I'm going to Lukenbach, Texas. Well, when I first moved to San Antonio, I worked with a girl who was from Lukenbach, Texas, and she invited me to come home with her for the weekend. She had to go pick up something from her mom, something, I don't know, I can't remember now. That was years ago, okay? And I remember when she said, you want to ride with me for the weekend? And I was like, sure, you know, I'm all about it and everything. I'm all like, yeah, girl, I go. And she was like, I go, where are you from? And she goes, it's not that far. It's like an hour and a half or so from here. And she goes, I'm from Lukenbach, Texas. And I said, and that song came in my head, and I was like, Lukenbach, Texas. And I was like, that's real? And she looked at me and she started laughing. She was like, girl, what do you mean, is it real? Well, okay, y'all, I grew up in Virginia, and I'm gonna be very honest with you because my family members are still this way right to this day, and I've been living in Texas now for almost 30 years. But my family, they still have me pictured that I am living in a place wearing cowboy boots, Wrangler jeans, and riding on horseback. And so, not that I was that bad, like I knew better, but like when, you know, like I've heard that song so many times, but I honestly thought that that song was like I don't know, you didn't imagine that that was really a place called Lukenbach, Texas. So yeah, so anyway, that was my first little rundown about Lukenbach, Texas. And when I went to Lukenbach, Texas, I remember thinking, there ain't nothing here. Yeah. They stared at me quite hard. I won't tell y'all why. Y'all just figure that one all out on your own. But they stared at me quite hard. But I was just like, I was having fun with my friend. I don't care. So anyway. But yeah. So y'all just read between the lines. That's all I got to say. just read between the lines. But anyway, I had a great time. Everybody treated me good. A little stare down every once in a while, but you know, I was treated very fair and very nice. Like nobody mistreated me or anything. I had a great time. Our family was wonderful. Enjoyed it. So, and that's all that matters. But anyway, I think I am gonna tidy up this room here a little bit. I was watching The Crown. Are y'all watching, any of y'all watching that? That's got to do with the whole Queen, King, Prince, you know, London, England, blah, blah, blah. I'm not sure if I like it. I dozed off on the I think I only have seen 2 episodes and I dozed off on the 2nd episode. So y'all, y'all know how it is. Sometimes girl just be tired. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to tidy up my den area because I feel like it looks a little bit not so good right now because I have kind of neglected it for the last couple of days just because I was so focused in that room in there, and I really need to come in here and I need to fluff my pillows and dust off my tables and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I will chat with you guys in a little bit. See, all this kind of stuff, like I gotta get this all cleaned up. I had my fruit for breakfast this morning. So, well, actually not really for breakfast so much. It was just my snack for the morning. And so I need to tidy up a tad bit. So I will check in with you guys a little bit later.
I always start out by going into the rooms that are minimally decorated for the holidays and just getting those things and bringing them into the living room, and that way everything's together and I can store it together. My living room, dining room, and entryway are the main areas that I decorated, so it's best to just have everything in here. So I'm going to go down and start grabbing the bins. I'm going to take these on my way down so that I can put those away because I don't really have a bin or anything for those, so I can make use of my trip down there. See what I mean? I just pulled out one thing and I have all of the snow-like stuff on my floor, so it's just going to get even worse. That's part of the cleanup, is all of the glitter and
by the way,
and everything.
So when I clean, sometimes I listen to music, but a lot of times I have on YouTube. So if you can hear YouTube in the background, that's because I'm cleaning to the tune of YouTube. Music sometimes is okay, but not always.
But at a glance, I can instantly see which ones are Christmas decor, so that just makes it really easy.
don't mind listening to their music a little bit. Like sometimes it actually gets on my nerve, but this one's actually kind of like, I don't know, I'm in the mood to do a little move-in, you know. Alright chicken pies. Yes, I know I'm looking a little bit cray-cray right now. I've got my hair down, my hair, and I am folding up clothes over there. So never mind that little pile over there. But, y'all, you know the golden pans that set ever so quietly on the little rack and have never been used for only, I think, about 2 months maybe. Y'all, they're getting used tonight, slowly but surely. Let me show y'all. Y'all gonna find this so fascinating. All right, as we approach, look, the pans are being used to prepare a meal tonight. Tonight's dinner is going to be salmon patties and Mediterranean rice, which that's cooking in the pot. I wasn't supposed to open that up. And then over here is a vegetable soup. So that is din tonight. But yeah, so the pans are getting used. I can't believe it.